Hi, welcome to Freshers Live. Here I will explain how to apply for Executive Management Cadre trainee vacancies in Singareni Collieries Company. In the top of page you will find the company name, vacancy name, educational qualification, total number of vacancy, salary and other key information about this vacancy. This is the link of recruitment page. This link is given below the video. In the details passage, you will find the detailed notification about the vacancy like name of post, number of post and their eligibility criteria. The last date to apply for this vacancy is 25th February 2015. When scrolling down at the bottom of the page, you see click here for more details button and click on it. This is the official notification page of Singareni Collieries Company Limited. Applications are invited from eligible persons to fill up the vacancy of executive and management trainee vacancies. This page contains the salary details and other facilities. This is the detailed notification page of this company. This page contains the name of post, cadre, number of vacancies and their eligibility criteria. Candidates have age relaxation and reservations under their category. Eligible candidates may send their application through online mode only. After the successful submission of online application, candidates have to take a printout of that application form enclosed with these copies of documents, that is date of birth certificate, educational qualification certificate, experience certificate, self-addressed stamp of ₹5. The application and copies of documents should send to this address. Please write this statement at the top of application envelope in capital letters. In case candidates have employment registration number, they have to submit their employment registration card copy. Candidates have to pay ₹200 for application fees in the form of DD drawn in favor of this address. SC/ST candidates are exempted from application fees. Candidates must have knowledge in Telugu. Candidates have age relaxation under their categories. Here some general informations are given to candidates. Candidates read it carefully before you apply in online application. Applications and copies of documents should send to this address through ordinary post or courier. Local candidates have special reservations under their residency certificate. Candidate selection is based on written test. This is the school study certificate. Candidates first fill their name and father's name, then detail their school standard details and get signature and seal from head of educational institute. This is the certificate of residence. Candidates fill all the columns correctly and get signature and seal from Revenue Department or Tahsildar. After fill all these sections, candidates now go back to Freshers Live page and scroll down the page. Here we see click here to apply button and click on it. This is the official recruitment page of Singareni Collieries Company Limited. Here the multiple trainee vacancy and their online application are given. Candidates read it carefully before you apply in online application. For example, I click here to apply for management trainee vacancy in mining department. Please click here. This is the online application form of management trainee of mining department. Candidates have to fill all the asterisk column. First thing, candidates have to fill their personal details like name, father's name, correct communication address with the contact number and email ID. Here you have to fill your correct date of birth with the age. The educational qualification and present employment details are clearly filled in these sections. Please fill your demand draft details in this field. After filling all these columns, candidates now click submit button for submit the online application. After the successful submission of online application, candidates have to take a printout of this application and attach all documents and send to particular address. The same process is applicable to all other vacancies. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.